Okay. This one's connected to my water main, council water main. This one goes to my glass houses. That glass house, it's got strawberries in it at the moment. And that glass house. Two hoses, the water main in and out, so water main goes through here. It's the water main, connected it to a Ballcock, one of those white cage tanks, connected it to one of those garden box, seat box things. Added my pump, and this thing, it's a hydro flow gadget, turns the water off and on. So that's the out, and that's the in, goes out from the tank, in from the water mains. Another T-joint there, added a tap. Haven't wired it up into the garage yet, but gets back up to pressure and turns off. Garden tap turns on. Turns off. So one pipe in, one pipe out. Mains goes through to the glass houses, that one. And the reason for that is the council put a water restriction on the mains, and it only does 600 mils a minute. That's my water and water pressure from the mains. Didn't go through to the glass houses. But now, with my tank, which is connected to the spouting, water pressure.